What's up everybody, today we're going to learn how to turn the flashlight on and off on an iPhone X. Today's video we've got the iPhone X and we're going to learn how to turn the flashlight on and off with the phone. So first things first, when you're actually got your phone turned on and you're on your main screen here, in the top right hand corner where it's got the 4G and the battery bar, you can just slide down from that corner, and once you slide it down from the corner it brings up this other screen. So all you have to do from here, in the bottom left hand corner as you can see, you've got the flashlight, and when you press the button the flashlight turns on, and again press the button, flashlight turns off. So super simple from that. And when your phone is locked, when you unlock it, as you can see in the bottom you have the flashlight and the camera icon. All you have to do is hold the flashlight icon, and when you let go the flashlight comes on. And same to turn it off, you just hold the button, the flashlight will turn off. As you see there, so it's turned on, hold it, turns off, hold it, and when you let go it turns back on. So there we go, super simple. Turn the flashlight on and off on the iPhone X, and hope you enjoyed it. And more tech videos like this, give us a subscribe, remember to comment, like, and see you next time. See ya.